Chapter 1: How to open a trading account on MT4. Welcome to the XM video tutorial sessions, in which we will guide you through the use of their MetaTrader 4 trading platform. The first video will show you how to open an account in a few easy steps and install the MT4 trading platform. Before installing MT4, you first need to open an account at XM. You can either choose to open a demo or a real account. You can trade with virtual funds on a demo account, but under real-time market conditions, which means that you can test the XM execution, no rejection of orders and no requotes. A real account, however, allows you to trade on MT4, including the XM web trader with real funds. You can start trading with a minimum deposit of $5 on a micro or standard account, or with a minimum deposit of $100 on zero accounts available by XM. XM's new account type, the XM0, features tight spreads as low as 0 pips, along with flexible leverage, one-click trading, and last but not least, 0 fees on funds, deposits, and withdrawals. Now let us open any of the real trading accounts available at XM. This only takes you a few minutes. Click Open an Account on the XM homepage, which will redirect you to the Real Account Registration page. Here you will need to input your personal details. Remember that during the registration, only English alphabet characters are accepted. After this, you will need to select the account type you wish to trade on: micro, standard, or zero account, and MT4 as your trading platform. Once you've filled in all the details required, click Proceed to Step 2 on the registration page. To complete your account registration, you need to fill out some further details, such as your trading account details, account-based currency, and leverage. Following this, you need to fill in a few relevant details about yourself as an investor and about your trading experience. Once you are ready, you need to enter a password of your choice and retype it to confirm. Finally, you need to tick the box that you have read and understood the company policies, and then click Open a Real Account. You will be redirected to the account confirmation page, where you will see clear instructions of how to proceed. You will also receive a confirmation email to your inbox that confirms your valid email address. Click the link Confirm Email Address in this email, which will redirect you to the XM members area. You will see your unique MT4 ID number, which is required every time you wish to access the members area. On this page, you need to enter the password you chose during the account registration and proceed by clicking the Login button. Shortly after this, you will receive a second email, including your MT4 ID number and the server name. From here, you can log into the members area or download the MT4 platform. Now you have successfully logged into the XM members area. You will see, however, that your trading account is not validated yet. You can log into the MT4, but you will only be able to trade after you have validated your account. To validate your trading account, you need to provide us with the necessary documents. In our next video tutorial, you can learn about how to download, install, and log into the MT4 platform. Thank you for watching.